Hello, and today, get ready, grab a chair, grab a timer. We've got a 6-minute full body workout to get you leaner, thinner, and feeling amazing. Now let's get started. Grab your timer, set it for 50 seconds on and 10 seconds off for 6 rounds. First exercise of the workout is chair squats. Next exercise, you have Bulgarian split squats. Left foot forward, right foot on the chair. Now let's switch the legs. Right foot forward, left foot on chair. Next exercise, let's work those triceps with tricep dips. If you need to, go ahead and bend your knees. Gives you just a little bit more support, makes it just a little bit easier. Next up, we have elevated push-ups. So we're going to elevate our hands, placing them on the chair and our feet straight out. Your last exercise, you have toe taps. Get into a plank position with your feet elevated on the chair, and then you'll alternate your feet, tapping them to the ground. And you are done. Great job. Feel proud of yourself. You did awesome. Thank you so much for watching and working out with me. Awesome workout, right? And if you liked it, remember to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell button so you can be notified when I post more awesome videos. And also leave a comment down below. What other things you want to see on this channel? What are your questions you have for me? I would love to answer those. And if you're on Instagram, you can follow me at Bethany Elise Fitness. That is my channel where I post health tips, workouts, what I'm doing in my own personal journey. And just be aware, I will be working on some new things here on YouTube. I'll be changing things up just a little bit, as well as on my Instagram. I am working on branding, so just be aware of that. Things are going to be changing and getting better and more awesome. And anyway, thank you so much for watching again, and I will see you next video.